people, welcome to episode 164 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about should you close your credit card accounts. Now, I want you guys to know that I know some of y'all gonna click off, but don't be closing your accounts, okay? Try to keep them open, and let's kind of go over a few things I want you guys to think about. So I want you to think about the overall impact to your credit score when you close your accounts. If you have a credit card, once you close that account, now you're messing with your utilization because now you have less money available to you. So your overall utilization is possibly going to go down. And then also your length of credit history. When you start closing your older accounts, your old accounts, it's going to shorten your average age of accounts. And your average age of accounts is something that people have to purchase. Like, you can always add a new credit card to your credit report. You have to really purchase age. Like that's something you'll have to buy in terms of being added as an authorized user. But you got your own credit cards that people would love to be on as an authorized user, but a lot of people just close these. So I don't want you guys to close them. Now, something to think about though when it's come down to closing accounts, if these cards have high annual fees, you might want to consider closing them, or you can ask to downgrade the credit card so that you can get like a no fee card. That's something that you can consider, especially for those people that have those credit cards that have maintenance fees. Maybe they finally got you to where you need to be in terms of your credit score is higher. But if they have very, very high fees or annual fees, then you may want to consider go ahead and closing it. But make sure before you think about just closing your credit card accounts, I always tell people to make sure that you have at least 4 good credit cards, no annual fees. Let these get old for at least a year before you consider it. And I'm saying at least a year, but I do still have an Open Sky credit card that I had for years. I do not use the Open Sky credit card, but I have had this credit card for years. I refuse to close that credit card because of it has age to it. Like, it's an old account, very, very old account. And it is an annual fee on there. I think the annual fee is like $39 per year. And I refuse to close that one. So just keep that in mind. That's my disclaimer, because I am saying wait a year, but it's like, Kitty, you have yet to close that one account. But for some people to have like $100 and something annual fee, $79 annual fee, or if you guys were to have those maintenance fees where they charge you $8 per month, you need to close those. Like, I will close those right away. Now, if you guys have any unused cards, make sure that you guys please go purchase something at least every 6 months, because they'll close your credit cards due to inactivity. I had plenty of credit cards, with a $4,000 balance before, that I did not use because it was a store credit card and they had like some nice stuff I wanted to get, and I felt like I didn't want to purchase that stuff yet, but I didn't use it. They closed it due to inactivity. But granted, I think it was at that 2-year mark they closed it. But I always tell people they can close it sooner, or they can actually lower your limit sooner. So I tell people to make sure that they go and swipe and use those cards that they just have sitting around. They're unused. Now, I said this already, consider interest rates too. And I only saying consider interest rates if you guys are carrying a balance, but I wouldn't say necessarily close it. Okay. I would just say keep the account open and do balance transfer to like a 0% APR credit card. I would not tell you guys to close it because of the interest rate. Because again, I tell you guys, pay your statement balance by due date. You'll never be charged any interest. So we're not thinking about those type of things in a way. So if you guys can stick to that, you guys will be fine. Okay. But don't close it based off no interest rate. That'd be crazy. Consider like the rewards and the benefits in terms of this credit card. If you get any cash back, travel points, any other perks, think about what you'll be losing when you actually close this account. Okay. And if you're managing so many credit cards and you're feeling overwhelmed, I actually don't have my sheet up, but if you go to my website, I'm about to show you guys that pretty soon. I have a utilization tracker on there where you can literally list all of your credit cards, put all the due dates on there. And I'm happy that I created this document because I was very unorganized with my credit cards, very unorganized. And that's how I ended up getting late payments a lot in the past. Years ago. So I tell people now, just list all your credit cards, list all the balances, list all the limits, and it can help you manage it better. And hopefully it will help you figure out some of your personal financial goals in terms of if you want to pay off any debt. Some people have security concerns about their credit card and they want to close it because of security. And I just don't think you guys should close because of security. If anything, go and see if you have any transactions on a credit card. And this is what I do too. I'm not going to just lie. This is what I do. And this may not be good. I just want to say this. I don't check all of my credit cards monthly. I don't necessarily check all my credit cards monthly, but if you guys want to know if you have any security concerns, if you are having an unused credit card, you should be checking your bank account where that minimum monthly payment coming out of. You should be checking that monthly, because once you get a minimum payment due from that credit card, you immediately know it's fraud. And you have, I believe, months to report the fraud. So if you were to see that minimum payment and you like, I did not use this credit card, you already know that something is up. But don't be like me too. This happened to me before where I got a minimum payment out and I could have swore somebody was doing some type of fraud to me. Y'all, was the annual fee. So keep this in mind too. So hopefully this helped you guys when it come down to should you close accounts. I say keep them open unless it's some of them accounts that you shouldn't have got in the first place, but you already built your life up now that you could just let that go. Okay. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards, or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts to your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events that I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and it's going to actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with a $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this one have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card, apply now. So you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card. And it's going to repeat for multiple cards. So you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the Mega Dispute Letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you had any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports by Identity IQ. And it's a $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different Credit 101, Home Buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some other reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom, I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.